Hi there, welcome to this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we have a special treat for all you maintenance and operations teams out there. We're talking about the foundations of an effective MRO storeroom and how to optimize it to support your operations. With insights from industry expert Andy Gager, CEO at AMG International Consulting, we'll explore the crucial role of an MRO storeroom, common issues, and what success looks like. So, if you're interested in transforming your MRO storeroom from a cost center to a profit center, stick around. Let's get started. Today, we're thrilled to have Andy Gager, CEO at AMG International Consulting, join us to discuss the optimization of MRO storerooms. With over 25 years in manufacturing, ranging from warehouse operations to plant management, Andy brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. First up, let's talk about the purpose of an MRO storeroom. Andy defines it as a form of risk mitigation, crucial for ensuring that the right parts are available at the right time to support operations. Surprisingly, Andy notes that 58% of a typical storeroom inventory hasn't been touched in over 3 years, highlighting a significant amount of cash tied up in unused materials. Now, why do MRO storerooms get a bad reputation? It's often seen as a place where money is locked up in just-in-case inventory. However, Andy argues that with proper management, an MRO storeroom can actually function as a profit center. By ensuring inventory is precisely what's needed, organizations can significantly impact their mean time to repair, adding value back into their operations. Andy also emphasizes the importance of inventory accuracy. It's crucial that what's recorded in your CMMS or other systems reflects exactly what's in your storeroom. This accuracy prevents maintenance staff from losing faith in the system and resorting to hoarding parts, which can tie up even more cash. One of the key indicators of poor storeroom practices is the frequency of overnight shipping. If you're consistently having to expedite parts, it's a clear sign that your inventory levels aren't optimized. Another indicator is low inventory returns, which could signal excessive obsolete materials that, if publicly traded, could put you in violation of Sarbanes-Oxley. So what does success look like in an MRO storeroom? It looks like a storeroom that works in close partnership with maintenance technicians, where both sides support and enhance each other's work. Success stories often revolve around leadership understanding that reliability doesn't come from reducing inventories, but from having the right materials available when needed. Lastly, Andy shares that reliability should be seen as a culture, not just a practice. It's about everyone in the organization, regardless of department, working together towards common goals of uptime and productivity. For those looking to connect with Andy and dive deeper into his insights, he's active on LinkedIn and posts daily tips that are invaluable for anyone in the industry. Thank you for joining us today. We've delved into the importance of an effective MRO storeroom and how it can transform from a cost center to a profit center, with insights from industry expert Andy Gager. Remember, it's not just about storing parts, but rather about supporting the entire operation's reliability and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more content like this. For further resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. Keep optimizing those storerooms and see you in the next video.